Okay, so I know that top coats are kind of a sensitive subject and everybody has their own way of doing them. I paint lots of dark pieces and I get questions quite often about, one, what type of top coat do I use? And also, how in the world do I put top coat on a really dark piece and not have that foggy look? So I thought I'd just tell you about how I do it. I'm about to paint or put top coat on a piece that I just painted today in Vagabond Blue, and I'm getting the top coat ready because I'm about to spray it. So I was spraying using this. This is my Wagner Flexio 5000. This is the canister. I had all of my navy paint in here, and all I have done is dumped the rest of it back into the canister because I'm not using it anymore. But it leaves all of this residue paint. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my top coat, and this is the top coat that I use. General Finishes, the high performance line I really like. They do make a dead flat, but I prefer this one. I'm just going to take some top coat, put it right into the canister, and that way it's actually going to tint my top coat. I'm going to do several coats, very thin coats, but they will be tinted so we don't get that foggy look. So you can see there's top coat in here. I'm going to take a stir stick and just stir it around a bit and mix it with some of that leftover paint in the bottom. You can see now it's kind of tinting. There we go. So I would say my only caution with this is make sure you're not mixing too much, because then you'll have leftover tinted top coat that you can only use with this color. So I try not to use too much. I know I'm going to be doing about 3 coats, so I mixed it's about, let's see what this is. I think it's about 10 ounces total. So there you go. I just finished the second coat of tinted top coat.